Welcome to Dynasty Ducts, where we're redefining air duct cleaning in Atlanta with our commitment to honesty, affordability, and professionalism. Our experienced team works diligently to elevate your home's air quality, offering reliable and cost-effective services on every visit. Trusted by Atlanta homeowners. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers speak volumes about our integrity and quality work. Rated A on Angie's list and winning the 2019 Super Service Award, we're proud to be Atlanta's top choice for duct cleaning. Our thorough cleaning enhances air quality and protects your home from hazards like dryer fires. Our team, known for their professionalism and courteous service, strives to provide a pleasant experience from start to finish. Hear from our clients on Google reviews about our prompt, effective service, highlighting the thoroughness and reliability of our cleaning process. Ready for cleaner air in your home? Contact Dynasty Ducts today. Click below for more information and to schedule your service.